I don't know when I ordered 8 ducks, but I'm glad I did. Look at these. They're so cute. I love squishing them all together at the same time. These are so like bulbous, like their bottoms are so bulbous, which I think is so adorable. They're glittery. They've got these cute little feet, and I just love squishing them all together and peeling them apart. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. You can buy different amounts of them. I recommend all 8 and squishing them together. Look at how gorgeous this is. It's so glittery, so cute. I'll tag it down below. Go grab a pack of 8 of these.